Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong like, subscribes, and share. Bibigyan ko po kayo for the second week of April ng general reading. So let's see the energy surrounding you for the second week of April. Okay. So naririto ang tinatawag na the page, okay? The page of wands, okay? It's like meron ditong announcement, diba? Yan, diba? It's like an announcement, diba? Meron dito yung tinatawag a very, very observer, okay? Ang taong ito. Maaring anak nyo, very, very observing sa inyo, diba? Kung sino ito, very, very observant. Observant, yan, observer. Observant, yan, ha? Romance is in the air. There is an announcement, diba? So, there is also tinatawag fortune. It's like unexpected, okay? Fortune. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Two of Cups, okay? Pero nasa tinatawag na reverse position. So, it has something to do about the past. Maybe something from the past. May mga nangyari from the past na kailangan ng tinatawag na mag-move forward, di ba? A past wounds, maring a past wounds, di ba? So, kailangan mag-move forward na, okay? Yan. Para ito is, alisin na, it's like alisin na ito sa sistema. Okay? Yan. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Ace of Cups, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, meron talagang wedding bells yan. It's like tinatawag romance. Ayang, anak mo ba ito? Ayang person. Or there is an announcement, di ba? It's like tinatawag early announcement, di ba? Yan. So, meron ditong tinatawag na, yan, it's like a family member. Okay? There is a family member. Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na nakaka-experience ng illness, di ba? Depression, di ba? O tinatawag psychological, it's like a mental deranged, something like that, di ba? Maaring merong kapansanan, merong karamdaman, bedridden, di ba? So whatever is this, yung tinatawag a leg up, merong leg up. If you have a problem, if this person is in trouble, in problems, is more about problems, there is a leg up, okay? Kasi narito ang the judgment, di ba? It's like tinatawag tutulong, maybe tinatawag second opinion from a doctor, from a surgeon, di ba? Yan. Yan, ha? Okay. So, it's like tinatawag support. Yan, ha? Kasi na nakikita ko, support, di ba? Maybe this young person needs support. Yan. Maybe this young person is no money, no honey. Something like that. So, ibig sabihin nito, there is a support. A leg up ang nakikita ko, okay? Maybe parents ang magbibigay, di ba? It's like if you are in trouble, merong tinatawag na sasagip, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Four of Swords, di ba? So, ibig sabihin ng the Four of Swords na ito is more about a relationship, di ba? So, ang nakikita ko dito tinatawag na it's more about peace, di ba? A peace of mind. It's more about their visualization, di ba? It's more about their dreams. Okay? Yan. So, maaring itong taong ito is observing the planets, observing the stars, observing it has something to do about astral body, di ba? Kung ano man ito, ha, either it's more about a journey, either physical, okay, or mental, okay, yan. Maring they are thinking to travel, di ba? Pwede na naman ito yung tinatawag na meditation, praying. Kasi nakikita mo siya, it's like tinatawag, nasa loob siya, halimbawa, nasa loob ng kwarto, tahimik na tahimik, di ba? This person is alone. Yun na nakikita ko. Yan nakita mo dito. This person is alone, di ba? So, either ito yung tinatawag na a journey, either physical or mental. Okay? Yun lang nakikita ko. So, whatever is, bakit naka-reverse ang tinatawag na the Queen of Cups, yan ha. So, meron ditong tinatawag dalamhati. Okay? Ito yung tinatawag na they are experiencing sadness, illness, disease, di ba? Maybe, sabihin na natin, sorrowness. Okay? May sorrowness. Yan ha. Kaya narito ito, di ba tinatawag the judgment. It's like tinatawag face it, nangyayari ito, di ba? Yan. So it's like tinatawag na hindi mo ito pwedeng piliin, di ba? Nangyayari. Yan ha. Okay? It's like tinatawag na untimely, very very untimely siguro itong nangyayaring ito. Maybe they are not ready. Okay? Kaya nakikita mo dito yung tinatawag leg up, di ba? Leg up. Family participation, family contribution, di ba? It's like, sabihin na nating yung oras na iyon, naroon sila. It's like doon nabubuo ang family, di ba? Present lahat sila. Whatever is this, ha? Okay? I do not know. Okay? It's like merong losses, di ba? Kalungkutan. They are experiencing sorrowness, losses, sadness, di ba? Okay? That's I see for you. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Three of Cups. The Three of Swords, di ba? So, ibig sabihin ng the Three of Swords na ito is more about, kasi hindi siya, ang nakikita ko dito ay resting, di ba? Kasi kung nakatindig ito, active. So, it's more about reverse ito. Okay? So, it's like tinatawag na submission, di ba? Acceptance. Yan, dito ko nakikita. Submission, acceptance, di ba? Kasi meron ditong reverse. Yan, ha? Okay? Yan, meron dito. Di ba? Yan. So, it's more about tinatawag na in times of, it's like slow down. Okay? Nakikita ko lang dito. Slow down. Yan. Ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag na make your mind at peace. Diba? Yan. So, kung halimbawa may mga nakaaway, whatever, diba? Be at peace to yourself. It's more about tinatawag na ilabas na, di ba? It's time to release. Yun na nakikita ko, ha? So, let's see the message. Tayo mo na, ha? So, naririto ha, the page of swords, okay? So, the page of swords is all about, tayo mo na, ha? A page of swords is accept valid, ito yung tinatawag na naka-reverse siya, ha? Okay? Accept valid criticism. Okay? You should accept valid criticism. Yan na. Whatever. It like tinatawag, it will break your heart, diba? Kung ano man ito. Yan ha. The Four of Swords, diba? Kaya dito nakikita mo, diba? It's about your strength. Okay? Accept valid criticism, whatever is this. Okay? Be more observant. Let's see the message, advice from the universe bago tayo matapos. Ito yung tinatawag na the world, di ba? So, the world is all about judgment, di ba? Yan, acceptance, di ba? Yan. Crowning glory, di ba? Yan, So, whatever is this, it's about tinatawag accomplishment. It's about your dreams. Believe in your dreams. Believe in your dream big and believe in the possibilities, di ba? Ito yung tinatawag healing, heal the past, di ba? So, it's more about your visualization, visions. Okay? Yan.